Stay tuned because I'm going to show you some simple tips and tricks to elevate your bathroom and make it just a little bit more pretty and spa-like. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and if this is your first time here, my name is Tamara, and for everybody else, welcome back. In today's video, we are currently in my bathroom. It's very shining-like, so there is dusty rose and weird tile and just odd silver finishes, but that isn't going to stop me from trying to make it somewhat beautiful. If you watch my IKEA video, I always like taking visual shopping lists with myself and made sure to have the tub and the toilet color in there. From there, I use that picture to sort of like put it against all the different towel colors, and this light gray works really well. It blends nicely with the dusty rose pink, and it looks really nice against the silver finishes. It kind of just creates like a light open space in the bathroom. And again, throughout my whole entire apartment, I always try to have a cohesive line from room to room to room. And what I mean by that is I like to have repeating color schemes from space to space, and I find it just creates a really nice flow. So when you're walking through the small space, you're not jumping from one design and one color to the next. Even though each room is sort of different, I always keep in the back of my mind that light, airy color, and I think it's worked out pretty well. These are very simple things you can add to your space that make it feel a little bit more luxurious. I know there's green bathrooms out there and blue bathrooms. Try to use that color as a base and then play off of those colors. For me, I have this like vintage dusty pink color, and I've got yellow marbling. That's what I gotta work with, and I'm up for the challenges. The things that I've done to try and elevate this space, I have taken out the old shower head and I've replaced that with a new one. So it's just a wider head, it's attachable so I can pull it down. It's amazing how much a shower curtain can just transform your space. And look at that ugly dusty rose poking through. Custom hardware in the side corner of our tub. I actually purchased one of these tiered layering shelving system that can house all of your shampoo bottles, your shavers, or loofah pads, whatever you want to stack in there. And then just to add a little vacation feeling, I added a faux plant on top. I originally had a real plant in there. It was this beautiful fern, which I thought would do really well because I was thinking dark bathroom, lots of moisture, but it died. And so, fake plants to the rescue. Custom making my own DIY towel racks. And then my partner, my boyfriend, went ahead and did some like beautiful custom wood shelves. Again, you don't have to do custom shelves. They're easy enough that you can purchase them from IKEA or Amazon, or even like your local Walmart. There's so many options to make those shelving look personalized and unique and exactly what you want. So tons of options there. The other things that I've added as well, artwork. Some of my favorite websites to go to is Minted, and I'll link a couple of others. They have like the cutest little artwork. So I chose just some like cheeky little art pieces like Spray Me for bathroom spray. And then there's another one where it's Squeeze My Bottom. They're just super cute and just make the bathroom feel kind of like fun and light. So now we've got our artwork, we've got shelving, greenery. I've got a mixture of artificial plants and real plants, and I like to keep my cactuses in the bathroom because I feel like they just thrive in this atmosphere. So low light, lots of moisture, and last but not least, the devil's in the detail, I think they say. You know, wherever you store your toothbrush or your hand soap, I have like a cute little wire basket that I put everything in. And again, it's just playing with the same elements that I have in the bathroom. So drawing out the metals, the woods, and the whites and the creams, and just keeping everything light and airy. Those are the simple little tips and tricks that I've done to elevate my bathroom and just to make it hopefully feel like a little bit more luxurious. Is that the word I'm looking for? But yeah, these are my little tips that have turned out really well. Let me know in the comments what you think. Thanks for joining me, guys, and I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you later.